Good morning, children. Welcome to the E-class of St. Xavier's High School, Adipur. Today, we are going to study science of standard 6, chapter number 4, that is sorting of materials into groups, part 2. So, children, in our last video, we have studied about the different kinds of materials. Okay, some are made from wood, some are made of plastic, and how these can be used, how they are different from each other because they are made from different things. Their uses are different. So in this way the grouping is done. Now let us see how they look, how they are having their appearance. Let us see. Now grouping of materials. Materials are grouped together on the basis of similarities and differences in their properties. So how do they differ from each other? On the basis of the similarities and differences, they are compiled and these data are compiled and then they are sorted into different kinds of groups. Now, these things are made of plastic. Here you can see toy car, dials, watering can, Walkman, party bag, kettle, kitchen bin, toy bricks, paddling pool. These all are made of plastic. Now, things which are made of paper. First is, here you can see book, calendar, box, magazine, card, envelope, party invitation, newspaper, letter. These all are made from what? Paper. Then, these things are made of fabric. Let's see. Rucksack, flag, pajamas, trousers, t-shirts, hat, sleeping bag, jumper and teddy. These all are made from fabric. Now let us see the things which are made of metal. Here are the examples. Frying pans, spanner, nails, key, tin, tap, radiator, saucepan, medal. Things which are made of wood. That is table, shed, bird table, chest of drawers, pencils, desk, ladder, bookshelf and wardrobe. Here you can see the sorting between the two groups. Grouping of objects together with similar properties is called sorting. That means हम किसको सॉर्ट करेंगे? ग्रुपिंग ऑफ द मटेरियल्स. उसमें से जो सेम टाइप के हैं उसको अलग करेंगे और जो दूसरे हैं द सेम वन with each other, okay, they will be separated. Now, grouping helps in gaining systematic knowledge of the things. So, in the systematic way, we will be knowing about that thing, okay. So, it also gives the systematic knowledge of that things. Now, appearances. Appearance is divided into these parts. Transparency, how they look. Float or sink, how they sink, डूब जाते हैं या float करते हैं. Soluble or insoluble. Hardness, is that hard or it is soft? These are the properties of the material. Okay. Now, first of all, the first property, that is appearance. Let us see. Appearance. Lustrous and non-lustrous. What are these? Let us see. Appearance, how a material look. Shiny or lustrous. Metals like gold, silver, diamond, iron, copper, aluminium, they all are lustrous. जो shiny material होते हैं, they are known as lustrous. And these are the examples of the lustrous. Now, non-shiny, dull or non-lustrous. Wood and plastic, etc. So these are the options of non-lustrous जो इतने shiny नहीं है. क्या हमारा plastic का bottle shiny होता है? No. क्या हमारा wood shiny है? Wood कब shiny होता है? When we polish it. Without polish it doesn't shine. So it is a non-lustrous object. Then properties of materials, that is appearance. Here you can see smooth and rough. So smooth will be very like it would not be having any rough surface. Okay, whereas the rough would be having some wavy type surfaces due to which our hand cannot move straight away. It would be having some hardness in that. Okay, whereas here the smoothness would be there if we will make our hand towards their direction. Okay, now hardness. What is hardness? Hardness of object. If an object would be hard or soft. Here you can see the stones. Okay, they are the hard material. Cotton like things, they are soft. Hardness or softness. Hard, difficult to compress or scratch. Okay, उसको हम compress नहीं कर पाएंगे, हम उसको पूरा दबा नहीं पाएंगे अच्छे से. Okay, can we push the table and does it change its shape? No, because it is hard. Okay, iron, wood, stone, glass are the examples of the hard materials. Soft, can be compressed or stretched easily. Abhi ye, this is my dupatta. Okay, it is hard or soft. How we will come to know? If we will compress it, so it has changed its shape. Okay, so in this way it is a soft material and thus it can be compressed or stretched easily, like cotton, sponge, rubber, wool, any cotton material, etc. Then hard objects. Here you can see the hammer is there. Not allowed. What is not allowed? That it doesn't change its shape. Anything to go into the or scratch over it or to break easily. वो easily break भी नहीं होगा. We have to apply a lot of energy for cutting or destroying that object. Then change its shape. The soft material is easily changeable. Okay, and shapes gets changed. Scratching over it can be done and it can be broken easily. Now, soluble or insoluble material. So children, what are the soluble materials and what are the insoluble materials? So the things which are dissolved in water or any liquid material is known as soluble, and the things which are not dissolved in the water or any other liquid material, that is known as insoluble material. Now, substances that completely disappear or dissolve in water are soluble in water, like salt, sugar, okay, ink. Then insoluble material, substances that do not mix with water and do not disappear even after we stir. हम उसको घुमाएंगे तो भी वो disappear नहीं होगा for long time. For example, oil. So that will be considered as the insoluble material. So the properties of material, that is solubility, sugar, salt, lemon juice and vinegar are soluble in material. Here you can see sugar solution, salt solution, lemon water, vinegar solution. Whereas the insoluble material like sand dissolve, it will be settled down. Okay. Then chalk powder will be also settled down. Coconut oil वो भी float करेगा. Okay, it will float. Kerosene, that will also float. So these are the insoluble materials and above are the soluble materials. So children, in our today's video we have studied about the hardness, the appearance of the objects, the hardness, softness, solubility of the material. Okay, so next we will be doing more topics of this chapter, that is transparency regarding. Okay, till then stay home, stay safe. Thank you and have a nice day.